Hello everyone! It was a great pleasure to catch up with my friends and colleagues in Bologna. Vertronic was a blast. Big thanks to everyone who had a chance to come. And see you soon in Nuremberg. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Nexperia introduced a 650-volt silicon carbide Schottky diode designed for power applications which require ultra-high performance, low loss and high efficiency. The 10-amp 650-volt silicon carbide Schottky diode is an industrial-grade part that addresses the challenges of demanding high voltage and high current applications. This includes switched-mode power supplies, AC-DC and DC-DC converters, battery charging infrastructure, uninterruptible power supplies, and photovoltaic converters that allow for more sustainable operations. Microchip Technology announced that its board of directors has promoted Rich Simoncic to Executive Vice President of Microchip. He started his business career as a new college graduate at Microchip in 1989 and had progressively increasing development, operational and business unit responsibilities. He founded the analog business at Microchip in 1998 and has been instrumental in building it to more than $2 billion annual business through a combination of organic efforts as well as acquisitions. He was promoted to Vice President in 1995, to Corporate Vice President in 2001 and to Senior Vice President in 2019. Kyocera Corporation announced that it has reached an agreement to acquire about 37 acres of land for a new smart factory at the Minami Sahai Industrial Park in Sahai City. Kyocera, which is reinvesting in its existing factories both in Japan and abroad, decided to build a new plant in December 2022, after determining that rising market demand will require additional production capabilities. The land purchase agreement includes a developed site of about 14 acres, where construction will begin in October 2023, and another 23-acre pre-developed site that Kyocera plans to acquire in 2024. The chip industry conference that kicked off last week in Guangzhou has lined up major US companies as participants despite Washington's widening restrictions on sales of cutting-edge semiconductor technology to China. Applied Materials, Lam Research and KLA are among the main sponsors of the event, as is German industrial group Siemens, according to the conference materials. The high-profile sponsorship attests to industry's players' eagerness to stay connected with China, the world's biggest market for semiconductors and the equipment used to make them. Led by the motto for 2023 Brain Power, Finepower created a series of Power Semiconductors webinars. The industry experts will take you on a journey into various topics of power electronics. These technical webinars are suitable for beginners and professionals. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more Power Semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.